Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see some SQL string functions. I'm working with AdventureWorks DW 2017 database. I have a dim table here. In dim table, I'm retrieving some columns, first name, middle name, and last name. If I want to concatenate all these columns and display in a single column, I can use a function concat. This is the syntax to use this concatenate function, which can take multiple expressions in it. So let me concatenate first name, middle name, and last name of the employee as per employee name. Let me execute this. See, these three columns has been concatenated here. If you want some space between these words, you can insert space in this concat function by inserting as an expression. See, we have formatted this properly with some spaces. This is how we use concat function. And if I want to display any column in complete case, I can use upper function, which will take column name as an expression. See, I have called upper function here. So this column has been converted into uppercase. And if I want any column to be displayed in lowercase, I can call the function lower, which will take the column name, which will convert the entire column into lowercase. See, the second column here is converted into lowercase, all small alphabets. Yeah. If I want any string to be displayed in reverse. So, see, I have an employee's last name, Gilbert Brown. So if I call this function reverse, which will take one column name as an input, gives the name in reverse, see, Gilbert Brown. So this is how we use the reverse function whenever required. And we have left and right functions, which will have two expressions. One is this column name, the string, which needs to be passed, and it will take the second parameter as number of characters. For example, we have phone number here. If I call left function on phone and pass some number of characters 5 as encrypted phone number, it will give me the first 5 characters from the left side in the output. If I write right function here, it will pass the phone number from the right side 5 characters and displays in the output. See, the ending 5 characters has been displayed here. And if I want to replace first characters or last characters of the phone number with some X or something asterisk, then I can call replace the phone, the expression, the string which you're trying to replace, and the number of characters from the right side, right side characters, and display asterisk. See, if you see the output, you'll understand what exactly we have done here, and I'll walk you through the syntax. See, if I want the output of the phone number to be printed as from the right side, the 5 characters needs to be replaced with asterisk and display all the left digits. Then I can use replace function with right function. If I want to display asterisk the starting digits and display on the ending digits, the right side of the phone number, then I can call left function. So the first left digits will be replaced with asterisk and then the ending digits will be displayed in the output. And we have substring function. Substring. This function will have three parameters: the string and start and length, from which character you want to start extracting. I want to extract from the length one, and I want to extract till 5 digits. As email substring. We'll see output first. Yeah. See, from starting from the length one, the 5 characters has been displayed in the output. Hope this is useful. Thank you.